Hi guys, my name's Warren, and I'm an avid golfer. So I like to find different ways to take a couple swings off my game. So what I do is I look online whenever I'm not playing, and I came across this really neat blog. It's called golfworldblog.com. Now on the website they've got some videos, they've got some software, and all these things will teach you how to take strokes off of each game. But my favorite part is actually in their store. I found the most affordable prices for things like a GPS, a couple accessories that you could take out on the course with you. But what I really like is this miniature putting green that they have. It has 3 holes. I'm able to set it up in my room, so even when there's like 2 feet of snow outside, I can still golf in the warmth of my own home so that I'm not losing out on my short game. So I really enjoy golfing, and if you do too, you would really enjoy golfworldblog.com. Take a look.